Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire and this is going to be another unboxing video. And this time I'm unboxing a Masktime. So if you're new to Masktime, as always, I'll give you a quick lowdown about what it is. But if you've seen it all before and you prefer just to skip forward to seeing the actual contents, I will add a timestamp down below. So check that out down in the comments and it'll be there. Also, everything related to this box, any discount codes I can find online and all the information about the subscriptions. There's two types of subscriptions. I will link that down below in my description. So click on the show more and that will bring a description and everything will be down there. So Masktime is a Korean sheet mask subscription service. Now it's free shipping within the UK and they've got two different boxes. Now last month I unboxed the Glow Setter box, which contains 8 to 12 sheet masks and costs £24.99 a month, and this month I am unboxing the Glow Starter box, which costs £9.95 a month and contains 4 masks. They ship all over the world. They ship free within the UK, but if you want to find out the cost for shipping from your country, it tells you all on their website when you go to check out. I really enjoy receiving them. Masktime kindly sends them to me. They started sending them to me a good few months ago, and it's usually every couple of months they'll send me one of their subscription boxes in exchange for an unboxing to show you on my channel, and I get to keep the masks and I love it. So this month they sent me the Glow Starter. So let's open it up and show you. I forgot to say you can cancel any time as well. You can go onto their website, you can buy one-off boxes, and I believe there is an option for you to see past boxes as well to give you an idea of what sort of items you will get. And I think they also sell these masks individually on their website as well. As I said, everything will be linked down below, but look at the gorgeous packaging. It is so pretty. Hopefully you can pick that up there. It's all sparkly and it's suitable for all skin types as well. So that's what the inside looks like. So I just pull everything out. Ooh, there you go. So I'll put this down to the side of me. This month we've created some amazing masks that help to heal, nourish and revitalise, ready for 2019. From super cool colouring changing masks, wow, to relaxing jelly masks, we want your skin to stay in tip-top condition, especially since the cold months are coming. So we want your skin prepped and protected. It's been a wonderful first year with our Masktime family and we hope you've enjoyed all our boxes. Oh, so I'm a little bit late unboxing this, but just to show you what you could get if you wanted a smaller subscription with Masktime. So on the back you have all the information about the products, you get the prices, and it tells you everything about them. Because the mask is from Korea, the instructions on the back of them aren't always in English, so it's just handy to have them all translated into English so I can tell you a little bit about them and you know what to do exactly. So let's choose our first one. Love the packaging. Packaging is so cool. Really love it. So this is by Pony Brown Plus and it's Skin Hue Aquarian Face Mask. So that's the first mask. So what's it say here? So the recommended retail price for this mask is £3, and it says the Skin Hue Aquarian Face Mask contains BioHA hyaluronic acid, a water holding agent also known as a natural moisturiser that is produced by the body but which decelerates with age, which is why I wear it daily. It functions to maintain skin structure, lubricating the skin tissue and acts as a protection barrier. Added with ceramide, coconut and cornflower water that assists to deeply nourish the skin. So that sounds wonderful. So that's our first mask. Then we've got this funky colour changing one. Oh my word, if you lot would like me to do a video on this, please let me know, because I love anything a bit unusual, especially face masks. So this is a colour change, collagen face mask, and it doesn't say anything else, but that's what that looks like there. Oh my word. Okay, what's it say here then? So the recommended retail price for this mask is £4. This super fun colour changing mask really brings a festive vibe this month. The pattern on the mask changes when it reacts to skin temperature over 25 degrees. Infused with hydrolyl acid, collagen and plant collagen extracts, it helps to firm skin and create a protective barrier. Niacinamide brightens dull lackluster skin, whilst licorice root extract and Centella asiatica helps to heal irritated skin. My pronunciations aren't the best, so I apologise. So no, that sounds so cool. That sounds really, really lovely. But yeah, changes colour as well. I don't know what the benefit in that is, except for just looks cool, maybe, I don't know. So let's go on to the next mask. Anti-Wrinkle and Whitening. So Vitagenic Relaxing Jelly Mask. 4 free prescription, calm and balance. Oh, so that's what that one looks like there. So the recommended retail price for this is £3.50 by a brand called Baggy, if I said that right. A unique mask that contains liposome jelly that is specially formulated to deliver micronutrients into the skin, which allows for the fullest product absorption deep into the skin surface. This highly concentrated essence features 20,000 ppm of vitamin complex derived from premium natural ingredients, giving the skin an incredible boost of moisture and nourishment in minutes. Featuring aloe vera extract from Jeju Island and vitamin B to calm, heal and hydrate sensitive and dry skin. Formulated with coal tar, dye, tea, silicons, propylene, glycol, formaldehyde releases, MIT, sodium lauryl sulfate, sulfates, triclosan, PEG, parabens. I was just thinking, I'm reading a list of nasties. I was thinking that's got to be wrong, surely. I know, it's my dyslexia. See, when I read things, I'm on a roll. For the first couple of minutes, I read super fast, and then it's like I run out of steam and I start making mistakes, and then I have really bad difficulty reading. And yeah, it's formulated without all those nasties I've just mentioned, not formulated with. So that's that mask, and that sounds pretty cool as well. Lots of information there. I'll have to read back on it because I've completely forgotten what I've said now. And then our last mask is by Anti-Wrinkle, and it's Natural Moisture Mask Pack, and it's aloe and natural sheet mask pack. Oh, nice. What's that? Whenever I see that, I just think of cold, cool, calming on the face. So what's it say here? So the recommended retail price for this is £3. It's drenched in aloe barbadensis leaf extract. This pure cotton sheet mask helps to soothe sensitive and irritated skin. Aloe is intensely moisturising, especially during this cold weather, and exposing the skin to dry atmospheres like central heating. Yeah. Definitely. This is the contents of December's Glow Starter Box. Now, they ship at the end of the month, so that's why I've had it a little bit late than normal. The whole contents comes to about £13–14, so a couple of pounds more than what you would pay. If you went for the Glow Getter Box, the £24.99 one, you see a much bigger savings. This box is made because there's obviously a market out there for sheet mask subscription boxes, but on a smaller scale. I think it's lovely. I think it's a bit unique, a little bit different. I love the fact that they go out there and they go to Korea searching for really, really cool different masks. You don't get these in subscription boxes in the UK, and you do get Korean sheet masks, but you don't get a lot of the brands that you see coming through Masktime. And yeah, just a bit different, isn't it? I mean, colour changing, that's just bonkers. But yeah, I'm yet to see whether that would have any benefits on my skin or not, but no, I look forward to trying it. If there's any masks that you would like me to try on this channel and review, please let me know. So if you'd like to know more information about this subscription, please check out their website. Everything will be linked down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.